Hello, as I promised, here is a lesson where I will show you how to invite someone to talk. Different situations, different people and topics, but the purpose is always the same. We have something on our mind and we need to share it or discuss some issue with someone. With the help of these phrases, you will invite people to talk and hopefully achieve your goals. Let's start with the phrases you can use to invite your friends or family members into a conversation. They are informal and pretty simple. You got a minute? You got a minute? Got a minute? Got a minute? I need to talk. I need to talk. Can we talk? Can we talk? Can I talk to you? Can I talk to you? Let's talk. Let's talk. Let's chew the fat. Let's chew the fat. Let's shoot the breeze. Let's shoot the breeze. You know, it's always a great idea to discuss something while having a cup of coffee or some other drink. So instead of asking people to devote you some time, you can offer them a cup of coffee, for example, and then gradually switch to the topic you want to discuss with them. You can say something like, "Do you have time for coffee? I want to tell you something." Do you have time for coffee? I want to tell you something. How about a cup of coffee and we could discuss that topic? How about a cup of coffee and we could discuss that topic? Do you have any time? Let's go get coffee and talk. Do you have any time? Let's go get coffee and talk. Let's go for coffee. I really need to talk. Let's go for coffee. I really need to talk. Let's go for a drink. I really need to talk. Let's go for a drink. I really need to talk. As for the rest of the phrases you will learn in a moment, they are often used in formal situations. At work, meetings, doctor appointments, banks, with senior people, people you don't know very well, etc. Excuse me, do you have time? Excuse me, do you have time? May I have a word with you? May I have a word with you? Would you happen to have a minute to talk? Would you happen to have a minute to talk? Sorry to bother you, but do you have a minute? Sorry to bother you, but do you have a minute? Would you mind talking to me for a while? Would you mind talking to me for a while? Would you mind talking to me for a few minutes? Would you mind talking to me for a few minutes? Would you mind talking to me about? Would you mind talking to me about? Could I bother you for a couple of minutes? Could I bother you for a couple of minutes? Pardon me, could you tell me please? Pardon me, could you tell me please? So, today you have learned different phrases you can use to invite someone to talk. I'm sure after memorizing them, you will never have trouble with starting a conversation or inviting people to talk with you. By the way, you should check my previous lesson where I'm teaching some common English phrases on how to start a friendly conversation. Here is the link. If you want to learn some example dialogues with today's phrases, go to my website and check the lesson there. The link is in the description below. Meanwhile, write in the comments what other common English phrases you'd like to learn. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check my other video lessons. See you very soon. Take care.